Hello, my name is Jim Friend. I'm the lead trainer here at SuranceBay. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to register for a new producer account with your agency. Before we begin, please note that you'll need to contact your agency to obtain their registration instructions. In most cases, your agency will send you their dedicated web link. In other cases, they may direct you to go to their website. In the following example, the dedicated web link will be used for ABC Agency. Once you receive their instructions, click on their web link and you'll be taken to their login and registration page. New producers will select the button at the bottom of the page to start the registration process. Enter the required information to register for a new SureLC profile with your agency. This includes your Social Security number, last name, and date of birth. Once entered, your information will be validated with the National Insurance Producer Registry. As long as you are a licensed producer and have an assigned National Producer number, you'll be able to complete your registration. Enter the email address that you'd like to use with your account. Be sure to enter it correctly. This email will be used as your login user ID and is also where you'll receive email correspondence from the system. Once entered, select Create Account to complete your registration. Once your account has been created, you'll receive a confirmation message and an email that'll be used to complete your account setup. Locate the email which is sent from setup@SuranceBay.com. This email confirms your successful account registration and is also used to validate your email address. If you can't find the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once located, select the Click Here link to validate your email address and to create your account password. Enter a new password by following the rules at the bottom of the page. Re-enter the password, and then select the Save button to finish. You'll be logged into your SureLC profile automatically. The first time you're logged in, you'll need to review and accept SuranceBay's software as a service and terms of use policies. We are now logged into our SureLC producer profile. To get started, review the information at the top of the page. 1. Bookmark this page and save your user ID and password. They are unique to this SureLC.com agency profile only. 2. Review the information on each page of your profile. Pages with incomplete required information will be marked with a red notification. 3. Pages with yellow notifications indicate incomplete information that is not required to create contracting requests. 4. Once your profile no longer has any red notifications, the contracting request page will allow you to request carrier contracts. From a high level, you'll need to review all the pages that make up your profile. Pages with the red dot indicate that your profile is missing required information that must be added before you'll be able to submit any new carrier contract requests. Yellow dots indicate incomplete information, but it's not required to create new carrier contract requests. Want to learn more about how to use each of these pages? Select the link on the top of the page. Before logging off, please remember to bookmark the web page and save your login credentials for future use. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact your agency or go to www.SuranceBay.com.